Just southeast of the Salton Sea in Southern California's Imperial Valley, a seemingly endless stretch of sand dunes rise from the valley floor. Covering nearly 1,000 square miles, the Algodones sand dunes have become a mecca for off-roading enthusiasts, attracting over 1 million visitors annually. Reaching heights of 300 feet or more, the dunes are essentially a massive accumulation of sand that once belonged to the beaches of ancient Lake Cahuilla. After the lake evaporated, sometime around 1600, prevailing northwesterly winds gathered the sand along the southeastern side of the Salton Sea. The sand, a product of eroded rock across the desert floor, has collected into a variety of shapes and sizes due to various wind patterns over time. This has resulted in several distinctly different types of sand dunes across the vast Algodones field. Sand dunes form as a result of 3 particular variables. There must be a large amount of loose sand in an area of little vegetation, wind to move the grains of sand, and finally, an obstacle that causes the sand to lose momentum and settle. Obstacles such as plants slow the wind, forcing it to deposit the sand grains. The heaviest grains rest against the obstacle, forming a small ridge or bump. As the wind continues to carry and release the sand, the material builds up and the dune itself becomes an obstacle. Eventually, the windward side peaks, resulting in the lighter grains cascading down the other side. This creates a constant cycle of movement, resulting in these dunes migrating east at a rate of approximately 1 foot per year. Sand dunes are typically oriented at right angles to the wind. Since the wind commonly blows from west to east in this area, the dune crests generally form in a north-south orientation. From space, the same patterns can be observed on a much larger scale. In geological terms, a field of sand dunes is referred to as an erg, taking its name from the Arabic word meaning dune field. One of the largest active dune systems in the country, the Algodones sand dunes are one of the many geological features in the area that makes the Southern California desert so unique.